god, you guys. You won't believe it. I actually almost don't believe it myself. The car is going to the shop. They're finally taking the car. You guys don't understand how long it's been since the car has been in the accident and how long I've been waiting to actually bring the car in. Moment of truth. Alright, let's go, Let's see where I can keep you guys without constantly having to adjust this.
A few moments later.
Finally, just got here. 你把窗户关了，你自己没那么冷就可以了嘛。Alright, just got here. Car got here, one piece. You guys seen this R34 before? Alright, let's quickly go inside, see what's going on, and see what's, So excited! Tony! What's up, kid? You! What's up? Damn, I thought your car was done. Thank you.
Yeah, I figured we'd get it out of your place and I'll have it here. You can figure out what to do with it, but it won't be racing. Alright, yeah.
Thank you.
I'm leaving the country.
Yeah, where are you gonna go? Once I can clear the car out of the garage, I can start trying to build my engine. I'm trying to, so I have a K24, an 06 K24 in my garage. I'm gonna do the block for that. I'm gonna take out the pistons, make sure the walls are all good before, I'm trying to do it the cheap way this time. I'm not gonna bring it to the machine shop just to see if like the cylinders are good, if there's no nicks and scratches, and if it's good, then I'll just throw like an 87 millimeter piston in there, like a standard size piston in there.
Take a motor apart. Get a ball holder.
I'm not even gonna hone it. I'm gonna. They say you can like deglaze it. Like honing is gonna take off material.
Need a ball holder, not a real holder.
Not the ones with the rocks.
Not the one with the pads.
Okay.
The ball horn, the little beads. That doesn't take off much.
Yeah, that's the one I was gonna do. I was just gonna deglaze it, just like clean it off, and not trying to like.
That's horny.
Okay. Yeah.
Well, I know what you mean.
Yeah. So.
The other ones have pads on it.
Yeah, one has like those 3 rocks on it.
That's a cut.
Yeah. So I'm not gonna do that. I don't want to cut any of it off. It's like as long as it looks good, it should be pretty decent. I know Jeff was saying like, the stock K24s, they can run like 500-600 no problem. So I was like, So I don't think, I'm hoping that like the normal wear that the car already had wasn't too bad. Yeah. So I'm gonna build the bottom end, and then 435i X drive. So all-wheel drive, it's like 440. Right.
Turbos require more care.
My problem is like after watching that modified drag race, like the car had one of the cars had 1200 horsepower turbo, and the NA car that had like 500 beat it. So like
Set up a lot better than that. Like,
yeah, so that's why I was like, oh, might as well just go supercharged and have grip through the gears. I don't know.
doesn't mean your car's gonna do it. He wasn't in RSX. He was in a Civic.
Yeah, it's like lightweight.
Lightweight, yeah, like 1,500 pounds, 1,200 pound car or some shit.
Right.
With 500.
Right.
You're about 24, 26.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Yeah, something like that.
No.
Think about it. Maybe you need that boost, man.
Yeah. Hopefully, I can somewhat at least get the bottom end built while this is getting repaired,
Yeah.
and then yeah.
All right. We'll talk more tomorrow.
Yeah.
Think
All
about
right.
one.
All right. Later. See ya.
See you tomorrow.
Yeah. See you tomorrow. All right. I'm gonna head out. I'll see you later. All right, guys. The car is officially dropped off. Rpmnyc. Hopefully, see you in a month. Hopefully, in better shape. It's been a long time. Been waiting an extremely long time for them to have some room for my car. Yeah, they finally had some time, and hopefully in maybe a month or so the car will be back to its former glory, and actually better than before. Anyways, thank you guys for coming along with me. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned to see what happens. Peace.